Hello, YouTube land. It is a good day to ride here in southern Arizona. It's 65 degrees. And we are out on some state trust land here on the Honda Trail 125. I'm going to check out. This is something that I noticed when just riding down the road now. And I had never seen the gate before. And I've looked, but I guess I was looking before. I must have been looking to the other side of the road and never even seen the gate and rode right by it. But state trust land, it does say that this is a mix of state trust land and private owned ranch land. It just says please respect the land and enjoy yourself. So, you know, keep the gates closed, stuff like that. But there's tons of this stuff in Arizona, and I don't know if you can see it, but that's this road here looks like it goes a long ways over there. I see roads all out in there. So this is kind of between Tombstone, Arizona and Bisbee, Arizona. Maybe interesting. It's headed toward those mountains, but if it goes to those mountains, that's a long ways over there. It is almost 3 o'clock p.m., which means here in a little while it will actually start cooling down quite a bit. I'm trying to look here on the map. Which one should I go? That one goes back to the Davis Road, which is a road that goes across over here. I mean, kind of to the left might look better. The cool part about this one is it's not been explored by me, so I can actually come back sometime soon and explore more of it. Let's just go this way. And of course I happen to be on my favorite bike for exploring. That's this Honda Trail 125. Got some pretty good jumps here. Not for the Honda Trail 125, but some pretty good jumps. Just not for this little beast. Don't think gonna do much jumping on this thing. I don't know where to go. It looks like it just goes all over out in here. I guess I was... Oh wow, look at that big old... There's some big old boulders just laying out here. So we'll go down this trail here and check it out. So if you're wondering what drone I'm using, that is the DJI Neo 2. It's on front follow right now. I'll try to see how it does. But yeah, I don't get in a hurry, so don't be talking about how slow I'm going. On this little trail 125, it's pretty rough. You go hitting them sharp rocks, and I just take it easy down these things, exploring, checking them out, the trails, and if I can come back on the 300 someday with a group of people or whatever, or somebody comes down to ride. So, little Neo does pretty good. It's on actually what's called front follow right now, which stays in front of me and just basically just flies backwards. Pretty cool area here. I can move this drone too. I can actually stop, put my hand up, and it's going to see me, and I'm going to bring it around here behind me. Yeah, let's go about right there. Let's lift it up a little higher. Yeah, let it follow from the back a little while. It's pretty cool just to use the hand gestures. I don't have to take it, let it down in my hand, you know, change the where I want it to follow from, or use my phone. But the phone is pretty easy as long as you got your phone mounted on here where you can see it. I actually forgot my phone mount today, so I can't actually see the drone on the phone while I'm riding, because I don't want to hold the phone in my hand while I'm riding. It's actually not bad weather. Now it's supposed to get a little cooler, lower 60s, maybe some 50s in there. But it's January, so bound to get colder. Get colder at night a lot of times. I actually had frost on the car this morning. We got up getting ready to head to the gym and went outside, and there was frost on the windshield, so it's cooling down. Can't believe all the places I find like this one. I had no clue this was out here, but just find something new all the time. Well, what do we got down here? Something like a maybe mining stuff or quarry or something. I can't tell yet. I have to get a little closer. Yeah. Something like that anyway. I don't know. Oh, this used to be like a pond to hold water for something. I'm sure that's what this used to be. It's dry now, but and they had a little dock out there on it. I'm up on the dam of it right now, or the bank of it right now. There's a trail that way. Some trails down there. It was to do something, I don't know. It's not a normal little dock, or not a dock, but yeah, I guess you'd call it a dock. Look at this. I don't know what that was either. It's like an overflow. We'll just go this way. We don't know. Holy cow, this is getting rocky down this direction. I chose the rough one. Rough and rocky. Rough, but not too rough. We just have to go check out some more, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'll make another video checking some of this out. I just don't want to make these videos too long. But if you would like, check out my links below to all my stuff. I have everything for the Trail 125, all my cameras like the Action 6, the DJI Action 5 Pro. I've got my Mic 3. That is the DJI Neo 2. But everything's below in the description. God bless you all. Thank you all for watching. click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I put a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.